Welcome back to Malvin King Tech. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Queen Alya Mini, created by Mr. X King. The link is waiting in the description below. Once you open the page, you'll see a clean layout with the title Queen Alya Mini and the creator credit. Right below, you'll find a text box with the label. Enter your number with country code. Here, you need to type your full phone number starting with your country code. For example, 263 for Zimbabwe, followed by your local number. Do not use spaces, just the plus sign and the digits like in this example on screen. Once your number is entered, simply click the Submit button. After submitting, the system will generate a 6-digit pairing code. Copy this code, then open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to Settings, Link Devices, link a device, and when asked, choose Use Pairing Code and paste the code. Alternatively, you may receive a WhatsApp notification to link the device. If so, just tap and approve. And that's it. You can then paste your pairing code you received. Queen Alya Mini is now ready to use through your WhatsApp. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Malvin King Tech for more quick and useful box setups. Thanks for watching.